An open back strike may permit you to sidestep the use of a carry bar, but they're really two different pieces of hardware used in two different applications. You don't obviously see them on the same door. So a carry bar is fairly unusual to see, and the only time that I see them really is in hospitals where you have a pair of doors, you have a mortise exit device on, let's call it the active door, and then surface vertical rod on the inactive door. And generally what happens is the inactive door is not used that often or as much as just the active door would be, but the requirements do force it to have egress hardware on it. A carry bar is used when someone does hit the inactive door. The latch bolt of the mortise exit device is down into the cavity of the strike. So when I hit the inactive door, I'm pushing the latch bolt face of the mortise exit device out. The carry bar mounted out on the top of the inactive door allows us to put the pressure when hitting that surface vertical rod onto the carry bar to push our active door out with us. That's really where you're going to see that. Now, an open back strike, if you do have that same confluence of surface vertical rod on the inactive and mortise exit device on the active, an open back strike would sure solve that problem. You could hit the inactive door independently of the active door altogether. What to watch out for, though, is the the labeling approvals, the procedures of what's permitted on a pair of fire doors may not include an open back strike. So that specific door manufacturer may have not tested for that particular pair using an open back strike, but they certainly would have tested for a surface vertical rod and a mortise exit device on the active. That combination would certainly work. So it could be a limitation of the approvals that you can get on that particular pair of doors, because that door manufacturer will have to mortise the edge of that inactive door for the open back strike. That could be an issue. It could also be it could be classified as more elegant in the sense that you don't have this contraption on the top of the door. You could also, I suppose, say an open back strike is less elegant than a carry bar, which no one really ever notices. Hard to say. And probably what's going to dictate your approach will be what can be done on that pair of fire rated doors. If it's non-fire rated, specify it the way that you see fit. There's likely something that I'm not taking into account, but that's my initial reaction to the question. Thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.